Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin'. I'm Chris, and today I'm breaking out the Big Easy for the first time in a while, and we're going to do a pork sirloin roast. Nothing too fancy, inject it, put some rub on it, throw it in the Big Easy, and it should turn out awesome. So here is our pork sirloin roast, and I've got a little bit of a marinade here that I'll inject in. It's the last little bit of my Cajun Injector Creole garlic, and I added some hot sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of water just to give me enough to work with. So we'll just inject a little bit in. Okay, we'll let this sit for a few minutes. We'll let the marinade just kind of work its way through the meat, and then we will put a rub on it. We're now ready to put some rub on the pork, and I'm going to be using the Yak and Yeti Asian BBQ seasoning. Friends of ours who were recently at Disney World picked this up for me down there. Tried it once before on some chicken, I believe, and it tasted really good. I think it'll go really well on the pork. And I'm going to put a good amount on here. The peanut gallery is weighing in as always.
Wow.
Oh, flip it over. Get the other side.
Look at that. Yummy.
Right? There we go. Nice and covered. We'll let this sit for a few hours and then fire up the Big Easy. Okay, Big Easy is on and we've got it all warmed up. Got the pork here in the basket. Before I do that though, I've got a temperature probe that we need to stick in there so that we can get an idea of when it is done. There we go. Put the pork in, plug in the temperature probe, and away we go. Now with the Big Easy, there's no temperature setting. It's either on or it's off. So you turn the gas on all the way and it cooks. I think I stuck a temperature probe in there once and it read between 375 and 400. So that's what it cooks at. So it cooks pretty quick, but just turn it on, let it go. I'm not going to put the lid on right away. I'll check back in maybe 20 minutes and we'll see how it's going at that point, and then I'll determine if I need to put the lid on then or not. Stick around. Alright, so the pork's been in for about 20 minutes now, maybe 25, and it is 73 degrees internal temperature, so it's taking a little bit longer to cook than I would like. What I'm going to do is put the lid on the Big Easy, and as I said before, what that does is reflect the heat back down. It's going to speed up the cook time and make it a little bit hotter, so hopefully we'll get a good crust on the outside of that pork roast, and also we'll cook it a little bit faster. Alright, we will check back in a little bit. Alright, we have reached 145 internal temperature on this pork. I'm going to pull the lid off. Alright, and that's how she looks. That actually looks pretty darn good. Let's pull her out, get a better look. There we go. Okay, we'll take this inside, cut into her, and take a look. Pork is all done. Got it inside. Time to cut in. Oh. I just got hit with a little bit of the juice from it, and it burned. Look at that. That looks pretty darn good, and it's quite crispy on the outside, which is exactly what I was hoping for. Okay, let's give it a try. Here.
Look at the car. Where did that come from? It's disappearing. Oh no!
Oh no! That tastes really good. It's hot. It's really hot. But it tastes good. The outside is nice and crunchy. And the inside, tender, juicy. It's awesome. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks for watching, and have yourselves a great day.
Look at the wonderful cars.